Hi everyone, I'm going to do my very first unboxing video. I got a box from Boxcars and One-Eyed Jacks and I want to see what's in it. So here we go. This one's a little tricky to get through. There we go. Okay. So in the box, we have sets of alphabet letters. Oh, we have a nice little thank you here. Looks like we may have, ooh, $10 off next purchase. That's always exciting. Now, some of these are Mrs. Nelson's and some of them are mine. We've got bags, more bags, big bags and little bags. We have dice shakers to play games with. One for each of us. And check these out. These are great big dice that have 30 sides to them. So we got a bunch of those. We have 20-sided dice, 12-sided dice, and 10-sided dice. Oh, no, these ones are 10. These ones are, no, these ones aren't 10. These are 12, I think. These are both 12. And these are 10. So that's all that's in my box. Can't wait to play some very exciting math games.